I think
Probably too early in the morning, but here you can see vinyl. Okay, so I got this unit for $25 and 10% buyer's premium on top of that. So honestly, $27.50. And they gave me 2 weeks to get it cleaned out. Now I am gonna get a dumpster here locally because I'm 2 hours away. Now things like this don't look so hot and they're deteriorating. That looks like maybe animal doo-doo.
let's say raccoon.
Yeah, raccoon doo-doo. But things like this, the entire beer can collection, that makes me excited because I can see more. See, this is gonna go straight in the dumpster.
Look at right there, right there.
Oh, here we go. Here's a clock.
Manual clock.
Made in Germany. All right. Sirocco. Do you know Sirocco?
It's all right name.
8-day jeweled. Now I saw a whole Stein collection under here too. I see right here through the handle. So there's a beer Stein collection. Thank you. That was the owner of the facility. Yes, I'm stepping on China right now.
Oh my gosh.
Because I want to see the things that are really worth something. You see the beer can collection? So there's more.
Look at that vintage toy up there, Jeremy.
More vinyl.
Right there.
Where?
Little spinning wheel by
the
Remco.
spinning wheel. Remco right there. Old tins. There's a Hershey display. Yeah, potato chips. I mean, there's no way I could get back here. You see displays back there too. I mean, it's going to take some time to actually get back here. This thing is packed. Packed.
How many square feet?
This is a 10 by 30. Yours is a 10 by 40, isn't it?
I don't know. I hope not. I thought mine was a 10 by 20. Maybe it is 10 by 30. Look at that record collection over there.
Yeah, it's a record collection in the display. I'm just going to take it that this was a sign by God that I should have bought this one. Valley View Mall booth. Yep, these guys were resellers.
Antique mall, like they said, across the
Antique
street.
Mall, right across the street. These guys were resellers.
Uh-oh.
This is good. This is really good.
So now the question, is mine going to be as good?
They're owned by the same person.
We'll find out. Number 15. Dun 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 dun.
Now, if you remember, Rob bought 2 doors down, okay? So the one I got, lucky number 13's right there. Rob got number 15. We both got them for the same price. And what we said is if we find anything missing from each one of our units that will help each other out, we'll give it over to the other person.
See down here, Jeremy, I did see this when I was looking at it. Oh, empty jewelry box.
Empty.
Empty jewelry box.
We know they were reselling.
And then
Without a doubt. Dude, did you see this box right here? This could be some antique Halloween right in time.
Yeah.
Oh, Rob. You see him?
Lunch boxes.
Do you see him? I don't even see those.
Oh, there they are. There's a whole
There they
stack of them.
He's got a stack of lunch boxes. This is going to be crazy.
Oh my gosh.
Can't even get back.
I just saw here. More jewelry.
Look at that, more jewelry. This could be.
It doesn't sound like though. Sounds like empty boxes. But that doesn't mean the jewelry's not.
That
in
doesn't
here.
mean the jewelry's not in here.
It's probably in your unit.
Well, if it's in my unit.
Just remember, I got the
give you
boxes,
jewelry,
right? Because I have the
or
boxes.
you give me the boxes.
Well, I say we try to get the Halloween box out because we don't got much time before
You
Halloween.
need to get that Halloween box out immediately.
And then,
Today is October 1st. So it's going to take some time for Rob to dig through this as well. And thankfully, we had an incredible facility owner, and they're being extremely flexible with us. Rob is about an hour and 20 minutes away. I'm an hour and 45 minutes.
Let's try this at home.
Oh man, Rob, just move all those boxes for a second. Just pull them all out. Look. No stinking way. I hope those are vintage.
Well, let's find
We
out.
gotta
Pull a
find
couple
out.
out.
What do you got? We got Sesame Street with the mug.
Oh,
it's too deep. It's too deep.
Oh, Days of Thunder.
Days of
but
Thunder.
not in there.
No mug. Beauty. With the mug.
Wow.
It's too stinking deep. Roger Rabbit, I hear it. There's the thermos.
Oh man.
And the paperwork. No way!
Oh man.
How it does? Is it Ninja Turtles? Is that original Ninja Turtles?
Yeah.
Sweet.
1989.
No way. Batman. No way. Well, there you go. There you go.
Well, I hope I make my money back.
I think you just made your money back. Without a doubt, I think you just made your money back.
Holy smoke over.
Didn't see that when we were
Hold on, I
bidding.
gotta pull up to make sure it's not another.
Is there another row? No, 2 rows. 101 Dalmatians with the thermos.
So the good thing is that this is your sister locker.
So that's
if I have things
great
like this
size.
in mine, you know you have stuff like this in yours.
Exactly.
Obviously, they had a shop at the antique mall.
Yep, without a doubt.
And this is all the stuff when they closed down.
And it's been sitting here for how many years did they tell us?
He told me 13 years.
13 years our units have been sitting here.
Oh, I forgot about the Halloween box. I got so excited. Thanks, Jeremy. It's empty.
Oh,
that's all right.
That's sweet. Okay, now I'm glad. I was scared at first, but now I'm glad. 8-track.
It's packed and stacked and all that.
Wow. Nice.
They just have them there hiding.
I didn't see those, man. I was scared at first.
Me too. Now the question is the other one you bought.
I'm sorry.
You did the trade later, which was smart. I'm just wondering if I should try to take these lunch boxes back with me. I had that
Dude, I would.
toy auction coming up.
I wouldn't mind doing it.
Holy crap. Everything's priced in there. Wow. Wowzers. That's right.
If I could just get $1 one,
Sorry, Jimmy.
Avalanche!
Holy crap. Yeah, we're gonna have some junk though. We're gonna have some junk.
Sure.
But man, I wonder what else is gonna be in here.
A lot of money. Especially if it's been sitting for 13 years.
Yeah, so. Yeah, I wonder when they close down the antique one. Wow. They probably put it in here and died. Like they said. Yeah, look at this one box right there.
Wow. I bet that jewelry is back there, dude.
I know. I want to go back there, but.
Yeah, take it.
Oh, I think I can make it.
You gonna do it? This I gotta film.
Is it worth the video?
Yeah.
Then we'll do it.
Woo.
Dusty.
Okay, Rob found